You're part of this event, please find your way to your seat. Thank you so much. So very soon, the Lagos State Council for Arts and Culture Standing Troupe will be performing in a few minutes. They're still getting ready with their drums and instruments. Lagos State Council for Arts and Culture Standing Troupe for their beautiful performance. Please put your hands together for them as they come on stage.
Change your pose. Ready, go! African youth.
Specialize in action film is because I really want everyone in Africa, not just Nigeria, to promote the heritage of Nigeria.
Okay, too much. These are big ones. Nice size.
Like I was saying the other time, that no event is complete without Coca-Cola. And Coca-Cola recognizes the fact that this is African Youth Tourism Festival 2024. They recognize youth in tourism, in hospitality, in all vibes of component of life, entertainment. So, and they supported this year 2024 African Youth Tourism Festival. We've been exploring on water. Look at it. Look at the creativity. Look at these years. That even everywhere, as we've got some people up there, they are dancing, whining, dining, and we are also here, cooling our head, chilling, at the same time discussing Coca-Cola. Thank you very much. This is African Youth Tourism Festival. You can see the ambience is cool. This my sister came in here and said, wow, every woman loves the ambience. I'm telling you, all the way from Abia State, in the eastern part of the country. Look at the beautiful faces here. Lovely people, handsome guys, just we are together. They are, yes.
Coca-Cola, always on point.
Coca-Cola, always on point.
With anything. So relax.
Yes, Coca-Cola, and all their products. Emu Coke, Emu Coke, Emu Coke, Emu Coke, Emu Fanta, Emu Coke, Emu Coke, Emu Coke,
Emu Fanta, Emu Coke, Emu Sprite,
Emu Coke,
Emu Fanta,
Emu Coke,
Emu Sprite,
Emu Coke.
What else?
Emu Coke. Emu Eva.
Emu Eva, Emu Coke, Emu Fanta, Emu Coke, Emu Sprite, Emu Eva, Emu Coke, Emu Fanta, Emu Sprite.
yes.
All your kids here. I mean, this young. Are you serious? You want vote?
Everyone will be a state.
Trust me.
See, she's saying we are going to Abia
I'm bringing
State.
you people to Abia. You and Ayo.
Oh, wow.
Hmm? Sweetheart.
African Youth Festival. African Youth
Festival.
Yeah.
So now,
By the Nigeria.
God bless Lagos State.
Lagos State.